guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you found us, and if you're new, welcome. Today we are talking all about daily intentions and the journal to write them in. So let's just get started. This is my little daily intentions journal, and it's a great size. It's 5 by 7 because what I write in here, I don't want to feel like I have a big journal to fill up, because you're only writing maybe between 1 and 5 things daily, and that's it. Also, if it's too big, sometimes I find if I have a journal that's really big, I kind of push it aside and will be like, oh, I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. And with this daily intentions journal, I want to do this daily, so I try to make it a great size. And like I said, this is 5 by 7, and it works good for me. Maybe even 5 by 7 is intimidating for you. So I will show you a smaller size that works as well. And that is this size, which is 4 by 6.5. So it's a little bit smaller, and it works great. So how did I make my daily intentions journal? Okay, so I have my cover already, and like I said, it's a 4 by 6 cover. What I'm going to do is I went and pulled a ton of just paper out of my paper bin that I saved to use with scraps. And I just folded all this up and made this. And I attached it with a rubber band. And the reason I did that is because when I fill this up, I want to be able to just take it out, file it away somewhere, and put a new one in. I don't want to have to make a whole new journal. Plus, I am obsessed with what I use for the cover. It makes me happy. For me, this is a perfect cover for a daily intentions journal. You're going to make your cover whatever will inspire you to pick up that book every day. That's one of the keys. And you might think, oh no, what you put in it. Yes, what you put in it is the most important. But you have to be in it before it becomes important. And if it makes you happy, if it maybe inspires you, you're going to pick it up. That's why I love this cover. This cover, however, and I will undo this and show you. My cover I love so much is simply a calendar page that I added some pockets to the inside. I put clear packing tape on the outside because this is something I'm going to be opening and closing every day. And I want to make sure it doesn't like split down the middle, because when you do that all the time, they do. I've added pockets at the front and the back. And what I've put in them is the stuff we always put in them. I've put in some blank ephemera tags, a journaling card, and an envelope. Just in case I need this stuff. Probably won't, because it's a daily intentions journal, which I'm going to get into in a minute. But just so we have it in case we do. In the back, I have like a little 2 pages sewn together to make like a little file folder in case I need it. And then I have another cute envelope full of journaling cards, tags, and whatnot. Again, just if I need it. I probably won't. But I think as journalers, we always feel more comfortable if we have this stuff at all times. Now, here are my pages, and all I did was fold over bits and pieces, scraps like this, and made them into pages that fit in my journal. And I'll flip through them real quick. You know, coffee stained, just pages, and then some writing. So I'm going to skip over that. And then some cardstock pages, more coffee stain, more graph paper, blank pages. I did include a couple pockets. I do have an envelope that I made like a pocket, again, just in case. And this is how it looks all the way through. Plenty of room for me to write. And again, so I take my cover, which is just a calendar page, and it's laminated. It's covered in clear packing tape. I put my pages in it. I got my big rubber band. I put my big rubber band on. And boom, there is my very inviting, for me, daily intention journal. So let's get to the heart of what this video is really about. What are daily intentions and why should you even bother? In daily intentions, if you like self-care, if you like self-love, if you do mindfulness, or maybe if you've been going through a hard time, you've had a lot of negativity, daily intentions can really help because they help you focus on you, not your job, not your spouse, not your children, not your parents, not your best friend, but you. They help you realize that you are important and you need to be taken seriously. And these are things that you want to do during your day that focus on you so you have the best day possible. Sounds like a great idea, right? It is. It really is. And it does help. All right. So how do you come up with daily intentions? I have 5 questions that I make daily intentions out of every single day. And I will write them all down below in the description. But I'll go over them with you now. If you're going, oh, 5's too many to start with, do 3. Even do just 1 daily intention to begin with. That's awesome. But the questions that I ask myself, okay, and this is how I started my daily intentions, is 1, what do I need to do for me today and only me? What do I need to do? And my number 1 always is be less hard on myself because of my CRPS and the fact that I can't accomplish 10 things off my to-do list in 2 hours or even in a day, because that's one of my biggest faults. I still expect my body and to do what I did before I had CRPS, okay? My second question I ask myself for my daily intention is, what am I grateful for today? Because we need to remind ourselves every day what we're grateful for. But it can be something totally about you that you're grateful for. I'm grateful for my inner strength that seems to always come out when I think I'm at the end. 3, in my personal space, what excites me? So within my personal space, what excites me? Art, my family, my job excites me. It's new, it's exciting, okay? My 4th question is, what do I want to share with others today? What can I give to others? Always a smile, always positive attitude for me, but sometimes I add other things. 5, how do I see myself at the end of the day? Do I see myself exhausted and uncomfortable and miserable? No. I see myself happy, feeling accomplished because I got 2 things done today. I see myself tired, but in a good way because I was able to do something that I hadn't been able to do the day before. So you get the idea about daily intentions. They're really important. They're really a great self-care option, and they're super easy. And like I said, if you don't want 5 questions, pick 3. Pick 1 to get started. It doesn't have to be a lot. And remember, the size of our journals are small, so it really is not a big deal. Now, what if you don't want to make a journal? That's fine too. Grab an index card and write your daily intentions on an index card and then staple them together or rubber band them together. It doesn't have to be hard. Don't make it hard. Don't say, oh, I don't want to make a journal, so I'm not going to do daily intentions. Don't do that. You're doing yourself a disservice. Lastly, before I close up my journal, I always write a positive affirmation. And what is a positive affirmation? Well, a positive affirmation, a daily affirmation, is defined as a simple statement that defines you as you want to be. I mean, think about that. Defines you as you want to be. So this is something that I write over and over and over until my brain starts to see it, be it, visualize it, and it's coming true. Right now, my daily affirmation is, I have the courage to live my dreams. I have the courage to live my dreams. Every day I write that. Every day my brain sees that. And it starts to become more and more and more a part of not a statement I'm reading in a journal, but part of who I am every day. It's becoming what I'm striving for. It's becoming what's making me happy, because that's what I want. So what are some other daily affirmations, because you're not quite sure yet? I have some suggestions, but again, you have to do this for you. But some suggestions are: I am empowered to succeed. I am loved and can be loved. I am strong in mind, body, and spirit. I am a passionate person with drives to accomplish anything. Those are all daily positive affirmations that you could write if you wanted to. Again, I'll put them down in the description below. So I hope with this kind of primer 101 on daily intentions and positive affirmations, it will encourage you to start doing your daily intentions. It's super simple. If you're a journaler and you want to make a cute little journal that inspires you to pick it up, that makes you want to pick it up, so after you pick it up you can write in it, that's awesome. But if you're not a journaler, this part intimidates you, forget it. Don't worry about it. Get a sheet of notebook paper, get an index card, get anything. Put the date and just write. You can write 1, you can write 5, you can write 10. It's all very personal. But start, because if you're stressed, if you're in a bad relationship, if you're just in bad headspace, or if you're in a good headspace but want to be even better, try daily intentions and a positive affirmation. Thanks for being here today, guys. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.